Hello everyone, this is Sanjay Kumar Raikwa. Today we are going to discuss how to achieve fault tolerance and circuit breaker using Netflix Hystrix. So what is Netflix Hystrix? This is one of the Spring Cloud Netflix OSS project which used to achieve fault tolerance or circuit breaker functionality. So see, you can see this diagram. If you have series of microservices, and means one microservice is calling second microservices and second microservice is calling third microservices, and this series is going till n microservices. So in this case, if any of the microservices will not work or any exception will occur, then this can create some issue. So in that case, we can do one thing: we can send some default response so that our microservice will not misbehave. So we can achieve this functionality using Hystrix. So in this video, I'll demonstrate this thing. Earlier videos I have created my coupon application. This is my first microservice I have created. Then I have created this Eureka registry server. Then in my last video I have created that fan client as well. So I'll use these three projects, and in coupon service I'll enable Hystrix and I'll return some default response on some action. So we'll see in practical. This is my coupon app. In this coupon app, let me open my pom.xml file. So in this pom.xml file, I have to add the dependency for Hystrix. So this is the dependency for Hystrix. You have to add this dependency: Spring Cloud Starter Netflix Hystrix. After adding this dependency in coupon application, you have to enable Hystrix. So this is the annotation you have to use: @enable circuit breaker. After then, in coupon controller, we are having one endpoint to fetch all the coupons. See, you can see here in with coupon.repository, I am calling find and all, which is returning me the list of the coupons, and I am returning this coupon list in response. So if you'll get any exception while fetching list of coupons, in that case we can return some default response. If you want to return some default response, then you have to annotate that method with @hystrix command, and you have to define some fallback method. See, if you can see here, we can use two types of implementation of Netflix Hystrix. First is the fallback method, second is circuit breaker. So in fallback method, we can return some default response. So you can see here, I am using this fallback method. Which method I am using? Get default coupon list. So in case if you are fetching coupon list, if you get any exception, then you can call some fallback method. This is my fallback method I have already defined. So here I'm defining some default coupons and I'm returning that default coupon list. Let me demonstrate and let me throw some exception from this method. So I'm throwing this runtime exception, and let me comment this code which were returning this coupon list. So I have commented that after calling the find all, I am just returning this exception. So in this case of exception, my fallback method will be called, and I'll get this default coupon list. So here you can see I am generating some random ID, value 50, and coupon title default and description as default coupon. I'll get these things. So I have created this Eureka server as well, because I need to register this coupon app with Eureka, and I have created this fan client as well. So let me first start Eureka server. I'm starting Eureka server. So my Eureka server is starting. Till the time I can see application.properties. So my Eureka server will start on 8761 port. And my coupon application will be registered to this Eureka. And even my Fin client also will be registered to Eureka. So let me open the browser first and let me type localhost then 8761. This is the default port of Eureka. You can see here Eureka server and it is running on 8761 port. So now I can start my coupon application as well. So this is my coupon application. Let me start this and let me open application.properties. You can see here this application will work on 8080 port and will be registered to Eureka with the name as coupon application. So when it will start, it will also register to Eureka. Let me refresh my browser. So see, it is still starting. You can see here coupon application is coming now, which is working on 8080 port. So now we can see our Fin client as well. In this Fin client, how we are calling our coupon application. So see, my coupon application is registered with Eureka with this name, so I have to pass the same name with @Fin client annotation, and I'm calling this endpoint /coupon/all, which used to call list of the coupons. To retrieve all the coupons, I'm having this endpoint on which I am calling this fallback method, which is returning me some default coupons. Okay. And this get coupons will be called on Fin client controller. You can see here with the client service, I am calling this get coupons. So let me start this Fin client application. So see, when this application will start, I am printing the response, right? So it should print whatever coupon my coupon application is returning, it should print that coupon. So you can see here after calling the find all, I am throwing this exception and that fallback method should be called. So in that fallback method we are returning this random ID value and title default, coupon description default coupon. So same response I am returning and same response we are expecting. Same some issue is there. So let me restart my Fin client again. I'll get the same output. And even with Eureka as well, this Fin client need to register. So when that application will start in this application list, I'll be able to see that Fin client. That Fin client will register on some port. Let me show you that thing. My Fin client will work on 8085 port on, and it will be registered with the name Fin client. So you can see here that random ID and coupon title default and coupon description default and value 50, that default response I am getting. So means my fallback method is working fine. If I'll refresh my Eureka, then you can see here that Fin client application is coming. So means my fallback method is working fine. So my Hystrix can behave just like a circuit breaker as well. So what is circuit breaker? If you are getting hundred or thousands of calls for the same method, so it will not call the actual method at all. Directly it can call that fallback method, that is circuit breaker. So you can see here in my coupon controller, if hundred or thousands calls will come to the this get all coupons method with this endpoint, so it will redirect all the calls directly. It will redirect all the calls to this default coupon list, to this fallback method. It will not call this method at all. So this is how circuit breaker works. So I am done with this video. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. My channel name is Java Tech Stack. Thanks for watching.